Hello guys, welcome to Nursing Land, and this is second part of PCMC Staff Nurse MCQs. So let's start the questions. Question number 51, which of the following is not an organ specific autoimmune disease? First of all, autoimmune disease it is. This disease considered organ specific. It means it targets the specific organs or tissues. And the systemic lupus erythematosus, it is organ specific because this disease caused when the immune system attacks its own tissues. And what is the lupus? Lupus means it affects the joint, skin, kidneys, blood cell, brain, heart and the lung. So the answer is B. Question number 52. Arachnoid acid is required for the synthesis of. First of all, what is arachnoid acid? It is a polyunsaturated fatty acid present in animal fats and it is important in metabolism, especially for synthesis of prostaglandin and leukotrienes. Question number 53. Convert the active voice sentence to passive voice by filling up the blank. Active. The boys sang their old school song. Passive. Their old school song was sung by the boys. The answer is was sung. Option D. Question number 54. Experimental psychology was founded by. This is founded by William Wundt. The question number 55. Which is the largest district in Maharashtra as per the area? And the answer is Ahmednagar. Which of the following hormone encourages the bone reabsorption by osteoclast therapy, increasing the blood calcium level? And the answer is parathyroid hormone. This increases the reabsorption of calcium into the bones. The next 57, sphincter present between the stomach and the duodenum, it is the pyloric sphincter. Then question number 58, the umbilical cord is protected by. The answer is Wharton's jelly. Question number 59, which one of the following it is not characteristic of muscular system? So the answer is non-contractility, because muscular organs are the contractile. Non-contractility it is the answer. Question number 60, which book written by Narendra Modi? The book is Exam Warriors, Pariksha Warriors. Question number 61, the World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on. The answer is 31st of May. Question number 62, medulla oblongata, it is a part of, you can see the image, it is a part of hind brain. It is part of hind brain. Question number 63, Azim Premji is the chairman of. The answer is Wipro. Azim Premji ये विप्रो के chairman है. Question number 64, immunization occurring through transfer of performed maternal antibodies naturally across the placenta to the fetus. It is an example of passive immunization. When the maternal antibodies crosses the placenta, this immunization called as the passive immunization. Question number 65, insulin it is produced by. The well-known question, and the answer is beta cells of islet of Langerhans. Question number 66, melanin pigment is secreted by. The answer is melanocyte. Question number 67, Edwards syndrome it is also known as. What is meant by Edwards syndrome? It is condition which causes the severe developmental delay due to the extra chromosome 18. यूजुअली क्रोमोसोम का जो पेयर रहता है उनमें 2 ही क्रोमोसोम रहते हैं एक पेयर में, तो यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा आ जाता है, मतलब 3 क्रोमोसोम हो जाते हैं एक पेयर में, सो इसको बोलेंगे ट्राइजोमी. और 18 क्योंकि 18 क्रोमोसोम आ जाता है एक्स्ट्रा, सो ट्राइजोमी 18 इट इज द एडवर्ड सिंड्रोम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री हैज मोर देन 1 कैपिटल? सो द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबोव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69, खालील वाक्प्रचाराचे अर्थ ओळखा. उत्तर न देता गप्प राहणे, मतलब मूक गिळणे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70, द सर्जिकल प्रोसिजर इन्व्हॉल्विंग द रिमूवल ऑफ फाइब्रॉइड फ्रॉम द यूटेरस. रिमूवल ऑफ फाइब्रॉइड फ्रॉम द यूटेरस इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ myomectomy. Option A, hysterectomy. It means surgery to remove the entire uterus. Option B, cholecystectomy. It means the surgical removal of gall bladder. and myomectomy means removal of fibroid from the uterus. Question number 71. In which city of India is the Victoria Memorial located? So the answer is Kolkata. Question number 72. Which phase of cell cycle is the best stage to count the total number of chromosomes? And the answer is metaphase. Reason, it is a stage in the cell cycle where all genetic material is considering into the chromosomes, and this chromosome then becomes visible. So because of visibility, the metaphase, it is the best stage to count the total number of chromosomes. Question number 73. The headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization FAO is located in? It is in Rome. Question number 74. Who among the following is the current Finance Minister of India as per 2018? 2018 के क्वेश्चन पेपर इसलिए उन्होंने करंट पूछा है. सो तब के जो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे दैट इज अरुण जेटली. द आंसर इज अरुण जेटली. Question number 75. Which of the following it is a steroid hormone? Or testosterone, estrogen and progesterone. All of the above are the steroid hormones. Question number 76. खालील वाक्यामधील अलंकार ओळखा. जन पळभर म्हणतील हाय हाय मी जाता त्यांचे राहतील काय. तो अलंकार है अर्थांतरन्यास. Question number 77. In Levy's equation, B is equal to F in bracket PE and P refers to, तो P क्या है? तो सबसे पहले Levy's equation, it is equation of individual behavior. So B means individual behavior, P means F means function, P means that person and E means in that environment. So the P refers to the person. Answer is A. Question number 78. B cells or B lymphocytes are a part of. So B cells and B lymphocytes are a part of humoral immune response. The answer is B. Question number 79. Intrinsic factor is secreted by. The answer is parietal cells. Question number 80. Full form of NSV. It is no scalpel vasectomy. Question number 81. The amount of energy provided to the body by 1 gram of carbohydrate. 1 gram of carbohydrate is equal to 4.1 kilocalorie. Question number 82. खालील वाक्प्रचार पूर्ण करा. डॅश डॅश झाडावर चढणे. आन्सर इज हरभऱ्याच्या झाडावर चढणे. Question number 83. Which of the following mechanism facilitate the capillary exchange from blood into the tissue? So diffusion, bulk flow, transcytosis. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 84. Which of the following are the pumping chambers of the systemic circulation? So the answer is left atrium and the left ventricles. Question number 85. Which of the following diseases are completely eradicated from India? So polio, yaws, Devi means smallpox. So all are the eradicated. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 86. Which of the following it is also called as vitamin A1? Vitamin A1 is called as retinol. The answer is D, retinol. Question number 87. Choose the right meaning of given proverb. Hope for the best and practice for the worst. It means be optimistic about the result, but always be ready for the worst outcome, means to face the worst part of the story. So the answer is C. Question number 88. Accumulation of pus in the uterus, it is called as pyometria. Option A, hematometria, it means the retention of blood in the uterine cavity. Option C, hematoma, it means the collection of blood outside of the blood vessels. And the option D, metralgia, means pain in the uterus. So pus in the uterus means pyometria. Question 89. Which is the first city in India to have a public Wi-Fi? And the city is Amchi, Mumbai. Question number 90. Which of the following used for the treatment of primary genital herpes? So primary genital herpes के लिए acyclovir and the valacyclovir are the product to use. Question number 91. The basic functions of bone. Option A, provide support and protection. B, assist in movement. And D, mineral and energy reserve. The answer is all of the above. Bone ये सभी functions करता है. So question number 92. Which of the following it is not example of special movement of synovial fluid? Synovial joints. So the answer is flexion. Though flexion, it is not a special movement of synovial joint. Question number 93. Pantothenic acid is commonly known as. The answer is vitamin B5. B5 pantothenic acid. And B1 को बोलते हैं रेटिनॉल, विटामिन B12 को बोलते हैं साइनोकोबालामाइन और विटामिन ई को बोलते हैं टोकोफेरॉल और अल्फा टोकोफेरॉल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. पोंग डैम इज लोकेटेड ऑन विच रिवर. कौन से रिवर पे है? सो द आंसर इज बीस रिवर पे पोंग डैम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 95. चूज द वर्ड क्लोजेस्ट इन मीनिंग टू द क्रूशियल. क्रूशियल मीन्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो ऑप्शन बी इज आंसर. 96. सिफेलोस्पोरिन आर. सिफेलोस्पोरिन क्या है? एंटी बैक्टीरियल ड्रग. वी कॉमनली यूज्ड सिफेलोस्पोरिन. 97. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है? सो द फॉर्मूला इज CO2. Question number 98. Which of the following is true about Vernix gaseosa? Vernix gaseosa, it is antimicrobial properties. Then it also lubricate the birth canal and it helps in regulating the baby's body temperature. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 99. ISRO stands for. We all know ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Question number 100. Which of the following is a sport based award in India? So इंडिया में देते हैं द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड, द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार. एंड आई होप कि आपको ये जो 100 क्वेश्चन है ये समझ में आए होंगे विद रीजंस. एंड वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल योर लव, योर सपोर्ट एंड कीप वॉचिंग एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब नर्सिंग एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर more and more.